My boys, we're not even gonna talk about how long I ain't been on here. Just disregard that. We on here now. It's Wednesday, July 23rd. My face is in front of it, but this is no. Let's go to today. This is today's profit already. I took 3 trades, 1 losing trade, 2 winning trades today, and I'm probably gonna take 1 more, and it's looking like I should get in it right now. Yeah, because I low-key just wasted time with that one. But this should be my last trade of the day. Hopefully it hit. I'm on the 1 minute. First, let's go look at what the first trade was. The first trade was directly at market open. No, it was on 30 minutes. Directly at market open, I seen this gap right here, but more importantly, this gap right here. So I wanted to take that up. So my first trade was a short into this gap. Got it, cool. Took that short. I don't like the way it's moving right now. I might just be good with what I got for today. I ain't gonna lie. See, like right now, I want to see at least a candle that's gonna take out this right here, and it don't look like it's happening. Okay, let's start it. I see what you saying. Let me see if we could take this. I'll stay in the trade, but it's not looking too. What I really I won't say my biggest fear, because like it's not nothing to be scared of, but what I really don't want to happen is for this news to hit and then it goes down here and takes me out, and then that'll blow me. But we'll see. We got 20 more seconds left in this candle. This candle don't close above this, I'm gonna just get out with whatever this is at right now, even if it's a little bit negative. I'm cool with 980. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We'll just take that. I'm gonna just wait the 5 minutes after 9. I'm gonna wait until afternoons to get into another trade. If I do get into another trade, I might not get into another trade. I normally would not take this many trades in a day, but I gotta keep it 100 with y'all. I gotta be honest. After my last payout, I blew my express. So I am, you see, it's a leader. So it's a leader for one other account. So I'm copy trading 2 combines right now. Trying to hurry up and pass them. I just started them yesterday though. Like this yesterday, 14:43. It's today. I may or may not. I don't think I'm. Ooh, you see what I said? You see what I said? You see how I said? All right. I'm just letting y'all know that y'all. I'm just trying to see if y'all see what I think just happened. I knew that was finna. All that means to me is that this gap up here might just be cooked. Like we just might not feel this right now or anytime soon. Like that might just be there. Kind of like this one right here. We're probably not gonna feel this anytime soon. While we waiting to see what news does, let me just better explain the trades I got into, cause I did already take 4 trades today, which is kind of crazy. So boom, if we go back, are we on the hour? Let's go on the hour. Boom, we on the hour. Cool. Red is previous day high and low. I personally have a midline already in the previous day high and low. Why? Because personally I see 9 times out of 10 at market open, when it crosses either above or below it just wants to take out the nearest high or low. So at market open, when this is trying to come down here or peak below here, I'm expecting it to come and take out either London lows or Asian lows. London lows is kind of non-existent because London session kind of went up the whole time, so Asian lows will be all the way down here. So that was the first thing that I was targeting, right? Cool. Mind you, I'm not trading like this on a normal day. This is just because I'm trying to hurry up and pass this challenge. So we went down to 15 minute. When you go down to 15 minute and we looking at market open, I look back by where the Asian session lows is at. I see 1 gap, 2 gap. But yeah, so it was already right here. I don't want these lows to get took out. That's why this is right here. So cool. We're gonna take shorts right there. That's what I did. I took these shorts just to this gap right here. We hit TP exactly and then moved back up and did this right here. Now when we did this right here, I'm thinking that we're just gonna go ahead and close this gap right, we don't need this here no more. I'm just thinking that we're gonna go ahead and close this gap right here because it's an inverse fair value gap. So I'm knowing I'm looking for shorts because it's an inverse fair value gap. So I'm thinking we just gonna tap into this inverse and then continue. So I ended up just taking longs from here up into this, and I was like low-key trailing my stop. I wasn't even trailing my stop. This was the lowest that this candle got, so I just put it right there, put it real tight, and I just wanted that right there. But as you can see, we came and got took out right there, and I wasn't really tripping because this wasn't even really a loss. After this first trade was took with a regular contract, so this first trade got me up already like 800, and then I switched over to MNQ, so that's a micro. So I wasn't risking as much after that. The first trade really got me the lump sum of the money because that was the biggest move that I seen happening. I was just trying to catch the little tiny moves in between after that, which is okay. It was like $100 or $80. Oh, I can just go look on here. It was $62. So yeah, the one loss was $62. That's not really nothing. Once I took the $62 loss, we scaled down again to the 1 minute. Now I'm trying to get critical, you know what I mean? So boom, once I seen that we wasn't gonna go up here into this gap immediately, I looked back and I realized, yeah, we took out this space right here, but this is the lows right here. So we really only took out this space, but we never took out the lows. So I'm like, oh, okay, it just wants to go take that out right now. I would think it would go touch this gap before doing that, but I guess that's what it wants to do right now. That's that right there. It took that out, cool. As soon as it took that out, I'm trying to catch the micro moves. We see a gap all the way up to right here. So I'm taking that. I'm taking the trade all the way up into that gap from down here, from the lows being swept. All the way up into that gap. Bow. Hit that. It was green. That one was 325, right? Then after, I was going to try to hurry up and take because we left a gap behind again. I'm telling y'all, every gap we leave behind, I'm trying to take a trade into. But we left this gap behind again right here. But I was trying to record. I had to go to my app to record. But by the time I had got into that app, we had already went into this and closed this. So being that we already went into this and closed this gap, that's where y'all see me start recording from. It had moved up a little bit, and since we already closed this gap, I'm like, okay, maybe now is when we gonna get the move up all the way up into this inverse fair value gap, because we done closed everything else along the way. So maybe now is the time where we gonna, whop and move up. But as y'all can see just now, I got out in a little bit of profit. I think I had $90 profit, but yeah, I got out in a little bit of profit because it wasn't trying to move above this candle right here. Or was it this candle? Yeah, because it wasn't trying to move above one of these candles. So I had got out in a little bit of profit before, worst came to worst. And as y'all can see, it started dropping after that. So with that being said, and it's already 9:04. No, it's the news candle. This the news candle? Oh, hell no. Yeah, so we done for today. I ain't gonna lie. We done for today. It's probably just gonna keep on moving down. Could I get in shorts? Yes, but I really don't have nothing really to target down here, I don't think. And so that's why I'm really you see all this space right here? I want all this space to let's come back into all this space. But I don't really have nothing to target down here unless it's the previous day low, but I don't know if I really like that too much more than I like this gap up here. So that's all good. Like I said, I started these challenges yesterday. So I'm up 2,500. I really just gotta hop on here and make $500 tomorrow or the next day if I don't got a trade opportunity tomorrow. So I ain't really tripping. That's about it for today. I ain't really gonna, we're really gonna force it too much. If I don't wanna do what it gotta do, I ain't gonna make it do nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I'll catch y'all boys in the next one, which is hopefully tomorrow. I also got a video on my strategy dropping today or tomorrow, because I'm gonna post this same day, because ain't no point in not. So I'm either gonna drop that video either today or tomorrow. And yeah, so y'all gonna have that. And I'm gonna start, like, I think I'm gonna revamp all of my basics videos too, because they was kind of weak. But that's a whole lot of jibber jabber that y'all don't even need at the end. Just make sure y'all like the video, y'all subscribe if y'all need, you know, if y'all want to see more trading content. I got more basic videos coming, you know, more trade recaps coming. Y'all boy just stay tuned, you know, y'all boy just lock in with me. And yeah, catch y'all boys tomorrow. Let's get money.